The Yucatan Knot, also known as the Yucatan Connection or Yucatan Twist, originated in the Yucatan Peninsula, primarily used by fishermen for connecting lines or attaching hooks. Today, you will learn the improved version with a very simple hack at the end. Watch on. First, double the main line, usually red. Then lay the leader line and double line side by side, parallel to one another. Wrap the double line around the leader 5 to 6 times when using mono or fluorocarbon line. If using braid line, wrap the double line around the leader line 10 to 15 times. We boast over 400 fishing tutorial videos. Subscribe now. Now, pass the end of the leader line through the loop at the end of the double line. Holding the ends of the leader line and double line, pull in opposite directions to tighten the knot. Important notes: even though the wraps are initially made with a doubled line, when the knot is tightened, the leader line should wrap around the doubled line. Now, this is not the end of this knot. To further increase reliability and strength, create a D-loop with the leader tag over itself. Then start to wrap the leader tag over the leader line about 3 times. Lay the leader tag parallel to the main line and twist the loop created in the same direction the same number of times. Gradually pull the tag to close up this rossetto finish. Trim excess tags, and there you have it, an improved 99% strength Yucatan knot.